So you might be trying to figure out, for some reason, why your gestures are not working within FaceTime. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. Now, as you can see within FaceTime, if you were to go ahead and make a FaceTime call to somebody, you can invoke certain gestures. There's a Mac Rumors article that basically showcases all the gestures that you can basically look at. It's a love, like, dislike, balloons, so many other ones. The number one reason why your FaceTime, gestures are not working is because you're not updated to iOS 17. So what I'd recommend doing is making your way over to your settings application. You then want to go into general, click on about, and look at the iOS version that you're on. If you're not on iOS 17, there's just no way that it's going to work for you. So that is the number one thing. So make sure you're on iOS 17 or above. Now, on top of that, if you are updated to iOS 17, you may want to just update to the most recent version of iOS 17. Right now it's 17.0.3. In the future, it's going to be 17.5 and 17.6. So keep that in mind. Just go ahead and update your specific, iPhone, and that is going to be one of the most important things you can do. Now, hopping back out, another thing that you have to remember is that not every iPhone supports FaceTime gestures. It's a very annoying thing. I wish Apple just supported all the iPhones in general, but they actually did not. So if you have an iPhone like an iPhone 15, 15 Pro, whatever, that doesn't necessarily mean that your device is actually going to go ahead and support, the FaceTime gestures. So what I'd recommend doing here for the most part is just going through and just seeing if you can actually go through and have an iPhone 11 or it's iPhone 12 or newer. If you have an iPhone 11 or below, FaceTime gestures are just not going to work for you. Like I said, it's a very sad thing. There's nothing we can do about it. The stipulation is that you need an iPhone with at least iPhone 12 or higher to use FaceTime gestures. Like I said, if it's an iPhone 11 or below, it's just not going to work. So that's just kind of how it goes. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.